Transferring money from Greendot to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Transferring money with Greendots is a simple process. Here's how. Start by logging into your Greendot account online. Also, find the Add Money or Transfer Money section. Choose the Transfer Money option. So enter the bank details where you want to send the money and follow the remaining instructions to complete the process. Transfer usually takes up to 3 days. This excludes weekends and holidays. So, it's wise to plan your transfer in advance. You should receive a confirmation of the transfer once it's been initiated. This confirmation may be displayed on the Greendot website or app, and you might also receive an email confirmation. The transfer may take some time to process, and the time frame can vary depending on your bank. Typically, it may take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. After the transfer is complete, log in to your bank account to confirm that the funds have been deposited. Additionally, be aware that Greendot may charge fees for certain types of transfers, so make sure to review their fee schedule and terms of service.